How to buy MILLMON token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following their updates about this token. Check their Telegram channel too. They include it on Derek's account. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago and increased by 156% into the last 24 hours. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your financial wallet for that. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap and you will be able to redact Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from your customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MILLMON token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.